Aloha everyone, my name is Mike Smola and I'm the Curator of Public Programs at the Hawaiian Mission House's Historic Site and Archives in Honolulu. While our site is temporarily closed, we like to be able to share some activities you can do at home based on our own activities here at the Mission Houses. So what we have here is we're going to do sort of a homemade DIY printing press activity. So what you're going to need for this activity is a magnetic whiteboard or other type of magnetic surfaces if you're going to use magnetic stamps. If not, you can make a tray and use wooden letter blocks if you want to. And then next thing you're going to need is our type. Now I have magnetic letters here, sorted out into the different letters. I have this in an old type tray. But at home, you can do use all sorts of other things to sort your type, like use jewelry boxes, or tackle boxes, or any type of compartmentalized tray system you have. Another thing you're going to need is an ink pad, right, so that we can ink our type. The only thing you need after that is a clipboard and a piece of paper. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to set our type. Now I have a message set here mostly already, and the important thing when you're setting type is that it reads correctly from right to left, in other words, backwards. All right? This way it'll turn out right when you do the print. It's sort of like mirror writing. Now I'm going to finish setting the last few letters here of our message. Make sure it's all nice and straight here, so it comes out nice. And then I'm going to take our ink pad and ink the type. Now the next step is a very, very important one. So we're going to take our whiteboard here, turn it upside down, and then we're going to lift the clip on the clipboard and put it gently underneath there, and then we're going to gently set the whiteboard down on the paper. Now at this point you don't want anything to move. You want to make sure it all stays nice and still so that you don't smudge your print. So the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to take our hands like this and we're going to do one nice hard push, making sure that we got everything down. And then you lift the clip, lift the board, and you end up with something just like this.